Good evening. Happy July 3rd. I'm Lauren Maloney. The University of Vermont Medical Center's visitor policy is a bit more relaxed for the first time since the start of the pandemic. But there is still concern about how rising COVID-19 cases elsewhere in the country could impact Vermont's progress. Local 22's Devin Bates spoke with Medical Center President Dr. Stephen Leffler about how Vermont's response has made it possible to allow these changes and how the hospital will handle its visitor policy moving forward.
Last week, it was announced that patients can bring one family member or support person to inpatient and procedural areas as well as the emergency department. Meanwhile, pediatric patients can bring two parents. Dr. Leffler said this was all made possible because everyone did their part.
That coordinated careful response has allowed Vermont to have a low enough case rate right now that we can allow patients and families to be together in the hospital, which is very important to them. It's very important to us.
With 4th of July weekend comes an increased likelihood that large gatherings could set progress back, particularly amid reports of overcrowded bars in the Queen City. Dr. Leffler said the focus needs to remain on public health.
The key to that is to keep taking safety precautions. People should be socially distancing, wearing masks, being very smart about getting into large gatherings so that we can keep opening Vermont back up. We control this by how we act in social situations.
As the summer goes on, COVID-19 is spiking. 40 states saw their cases rise on Friday, and Dr. Leffler said it's a cautionary tale for Vermont.
I do think that it's likely that Vermont, as we have students coming back, as we have visitors coming in, as our policies loosen a little bit, we will likely see some spikes in cases at different times. So right now, we have loosened things up, but we're ready to either tighten back down a little bit if we need to, or eventually go back to what we consider to be normal, where we allow visitors and families 24/7. But we're a ways away from that right now.
Earlier this week, Central Vermont Medical Center took similar steps to allow more visitors, and of course, anyone visiting the hospitals across the UVM Health Network will have to get a temperature check and a symptom screening, as well as be required to wear a mask. In Burlington, Devin Bates, Local 22 News.